In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sort data in Smartsheet so you can organize your information and find what you need more quickly. Start by opening your sheet and selecting the column you want to sort by. For example, you might sort by task name, due date, priority, or status. Right-click the column header and select Sort Rows. A sorting window will appear where you can choose the column you want to use for sorting. Next, choose the sort order. Select ascending if you want values arranged from A to Z, lowest to highest, or oldest to newest. Select descending if you want values arranged from Z to A, highest to lowest, or newest to oldest. If you need more advanced organization, click Add Then By to add a second sorting rule. For example, you can sort first by status and then by due date. This helps keep large sheets organized and easier to manage. Review your sorting settings and click OK. Smartsheet will instantly rearrange the rows based on the rules you have selected. If the results aren't exactly what you expected, you can run the sort again and adjust the settings until the data is organized the way you want. That's how to sort in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.